Hey guys, welcome back to Login Giants. Here today you will learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Let us get started by opening Snapchat application. Go to your Bitmoji on top left corner. Here again you will see the settings option, tap that. At this portal you will see two-factor authentication, tap that. And continue. So here are two options for two-factor authentication. One is text verification and another is authentication app. So as you can see, text verification is the simplest and Snapchats recommend this as well. So I'm gonna go with text verification. So you will receive a code to your authenticated number. After you enter the code, tap generate. And for the last step, you need to add your Snapchat password. Tap continue. Write down your recovery code. Now two-factor authentication has been enabled in your device. That is how you do it. Do follow our page Login Giants. Thank you for watching.